Hello friends. So today we will learn about an interesting topic, that is how to schedule email alerts for aging reports, whether it is vendor aging report or customer aging reports in Dynamics 365 Finance and Supply Chain. So in this video we will learn how to schedule an email alert for aging report on particular date or particular scheduler. So let's start the setting first. So first we'll go to system admin module. Under setup we have the email. Under email we have the email parameter option. So here in the email parameter option, to trigger or schedule any mail, we have to first do the email parameter setup. Like we have the batch email provider, so we will choose this SMTP setups, and this is the SMTP setup. We have to put here the outgoing mail server like smtp.gmail.com, and likewise we have to put the email user ID. This is actually the sender email ID, and the password, this password will be generated from the this Gmail app password. This will be generated from the Gmail security page, so that password will be entered here. So this is the basic SMTP setup in Dynamics 365 to trigger any kind of email. And just to test this mail, we can send a test mail and we can check whether this mail is this setup is working fine or not. So this is the sender's email, and at the user setup we have one more setup to put the sender. In the accounts we have this sender email. We can put this email. This will be the sender's email. Along with that email that has been defined in the email parameter, this will also be considered as the sender email. So this is basic setup for the any email trigger. Now let's learn and let's come to the topic, that how to trigger email for of vendor aging or any customer aging reports. So first let's move to the accounts payable module, where we have under inquiry and reports vendor aging report. So we will define the parameter as per our requirement, like as aging as of, balance as of, what is the criteria of running this aging report, and this aging period definition will select that we have already created. And the interesting and the main point is that the destination of this report. So currently the destination is the screen, means when I'll run this report it will display on my screen. So let's change the destination. I'll click on the email, and here you can put the email to which this aging report will be triggered. So I'll put the email here, and you can type the standard subject here, and if you want to put anyone in CC you can use that. And if you want to put more than one email ID, you can use the separator as in semicolon between two email. So this is the one setup. Let's suppose I am putting this is I have put the email ID and this is the subject. I'll click OK. So the destination will change to this email. Now the next important thing, we have to send the recurrence of the batch job. So likewise this is the start date and start time. So if you want to any end date, suppose right now I don't want to any end date of this, or you may put the end after. So you can put 60 days, like this will be end after the 60 days, and you can schedule the recurrence based on the weeks, months and years also. So I am setting the recurrence like for weeks. So Monday. So every week on Monday, let's reduce. Every week on Monday, this aging report will be triggered to that email that just we have defined. So I'll set it. The recurrence has been set, and we have to enable this batch processing. So once I'll click OK, so this aging report will be sent to this email ID from the sender's email ID that I have shown you before this in the email parameter. And based on this recurrence, on every week on first day of the Monday, it will run. So once I'll click OK, this batch job will be scheduled, and this will run automatically on every Monday of the week till the end date of the batch job. So this PDF will be like this. The PDF will be sent to this email uh, with this subject. So there is two more important thing to notice, that there is the limitation of this. What is the limitation? The limitation is, once you have defined the aging as of date and balance as of date, so this date will remain constant. Whatever balance coming in this date, only that will be considered. So that date will be considered, and email will be triggered accordingly. So the aging will be calculated accordingly based on this email this aging parameter setup. So this is the disadvantage, or you can say the limitation of this auto trigger of the aging report to the email. But there is one more advantage of this batch job setup. This The advantage is that, suppose in between batch job is running, but in between today, tomorrow, or day after tomorrow, someone has make any entry to the vendors, so that journal entry or that invoice entry will also be considered as the your new aging report. Means, so this is the batch job of this vendor aging report batch. This is the batch name. So the batch, before running this batch, suppose the in our case the batch job is running on every Monday. So till Monday, whatever invoices has been posted to the vendor's account, that will be considered for vendor aging report, that will be triggered on this Monday. So this is one of the advantage of this, but this parameter setup will remain same. So this is all about. So I hope you can test it and just validate whether it is working or not. But this is working for me. I have just tested. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day and have a great learning. Thank you.